Today I am teaching workman compensation reserve, that is called WCR in short form, workman compensation reserve. Whenever in a partnership firm reconstitution or at the time of admission, workman compensation reserve, what first of all you should know, what do you mean by workman compensation reserve? Actually, it is created by the firm out of profit. Every year firm is earning a profit. From that profit, firm creates WCR, Workman Compensation Reserve. This is the Workman Compensation Reserve. And at the time of reconstitution of the firm that we have studied earlier, or at the time of admission of any new partner, what the treatment of WCR you will come to know in this topic. WCR actually is of four kinds. Means, with the help of example, I am teaching you. Just pay attention. If firm has WCR of rupees 50,000, suppose, and workman compensation claim, this is the another thing. Before starting, you should know what is workman compensation claim. This you understood? What is workman compensation reserve? Now, workman compensation claim. Actually, in a factory, when workers are working in industry or any workshop, any accident may happen. At the time of accident, workers can claim the compensation. And when the workman claims out of the profit, firms pays him. Now, this is the workman compensation claim. Now, with the help of example, suppose WCR is of 50,000 and claim is also same. Suppose this is the first stage when reserve and claim amount is same. So the entry we will make WCR account date. This is. And what the claim? WCC, Workman Compensation Claim, 50,000. Suppose claim is less. What? Suppose in the second stage, if claim is of suppose 45,000. So WCR will be debited by 50,000 and WCC account 45,000. Rest of the 5,000 will distribute in the capital account of partners. Suppose there are three partners A, B, C, and the ratio is 5:3:2. So at the time of reconstitution of the firm, workman compensation reserve is 50,000 and claim is 45,000. So to complete this entry, we will distribute 5,000 in the ratio of 5:3:2. So to A's capital account, to B's capital account, to C's capital account. We will distribute this 5,000 into 532. Means 532 into divided by 10, this is the total of 10, means 500. So C will get 1,000 and 1500 to B and 2,500. This is the completion of 5,000 we have distributed. This is the completion of remaining 5,000. This. Okay? Next. We were learning WCR, Workman Compensation Reserve. Last time I told you in the previous example, if the claim is less than the WCR reserve, suppose WCR rupees 50,000 and the claim was less, and the rest of the remaining amount we have distributed to the partners in the profit sharing ratio. Now suppose today claim is rupees 60,000, means more than the reserve. What will be the entry? Means when the claim, suppose same, so WCR debit to WCC. If the claim is less, then WCR account debit to WCC to remaining to A's capital to B's capital. Last time we have said. Now if the claim is more than the reserve, what the entry you have to make? WCR account debit by 50,000. That is whatever the reserve is. We have to debit by this WCR 50,000. And the claim is 60,000. So for that, you have to open the revaluation account debit by 10,000 to WCC 60,000. What will happen? Now this revaluation account is debited. This revaluation account debit by 10,000. What we have to do for this? We have to adjust by the capital account of the existing partners. ABC, 3 partners, ratio is 5:3:2. So A's capital account debit, B's capital account debit, C's capital account debit to revaluation account 10,000. This 10,000 we have to credit and the debit all the 3 existing partners in the ratio of 5:3:2. So 10,000 we have to, in the working notes, we have to distribute in the existing partners capital account. Means divided by 10, 1000 will come. When we divide 10,000 by 10, 1000 will come. Multiply by 2, 2000. Multiply by 3, 3000 will come to B's capital, and this is A, 5000. Distribution of 10,000 of the extra amount that claimed by the worker. Workman compensation reserve, we are having 50,000 and the claim is 60,000. So two entries we have to make. WCR account debit by 50,000, revaluation account debit 10,000, to workman compensation claim account 60,000. And this 10,000 revaluation account we have to devalue, means we have to credit this by 10,000, and capital account of the existing partner have to debit it by 10,000. 5,000, 3,000. This is the 10,000, and now this is neutralized. Revaluation now neutralized, and this 10,000 extra amount paid by the what means partners, existing partners, extra amount, this 10,000. Okay? Investment fluctuation reserve. Prior you have studied WCR, workman compensation reserve. Now this time investment fluctuation reserve. All reserves are making out of profit. Firm earning profit, and out of profit all the reserves, funds that create by the firm. Now, what is investment fluctuation reserve? Investment actually is an asset, and reserve is liability. You know, in the 11th class you have studied both the words. Investment is an asset and reserve is a liability. Asset, suppose investment cost rupees 5 lakh, and reserve that created by the firm of rupees 30,000, suppose. Now the situation is, if there is no information in the question, and at the time of reconstitution of the firm or admission of a partner or retirement of a partner, whatever the situation is, you have to distribute this liability among all the existing partners. How you will distribute in the first case? That investment fluctuation reserve means IFR account debit by 30,000. Say, now to A's capital, how many partners are there in a firm, that you have to distribute among them. Suppose 2 partners and both are getting equal, then 15,000 each will get the reserve fund. Means we have distributed investment fluctuation reserve among 2 partners, these 15,000 and 15,000 each. Means this is the first case. If investment costs remain same, means the book value and market value remains same of investment, that is of 5 lakh, means BV, if we call BV, this is called NV. BV and NV of investment remains same, or if there is no information, you have to distribute the liability among all existing. This is the case. Now, coming to the second situation. It is when fluctuation comes, fluctuation in investment. Means cost is 5 lakh. Suppose cost remain 4,88,000. So what you have to do? You have to distribute the remaining liability, and the loss in investment also recover by this liability, by this reserve. Means what will be the entry? Investment fluctuation reserve account debit by 30,000. That is the amount. This is 30,000 to investment. Whenever we are purchasing in the 11th class, you have studied that all the assets should be debited. Now the assets is reducing by 12,000. This is the difference. 5 lakh and it remains 4,88,000. Means 12,000. This is the difference. Goes down. Investment goes down. So investment by 12,000 you have to credit. Remaining 18,000 of this reserve means this you have recovered from this reserve, whatever the loss occurred in the investment. Now to A's capital, the remaining amount of reserve 18,000 you are distributing to B's capital. Means suppose equal, ratio is equal, so 9,000 and 9,000 means 1299 becomes 30. This is the way that you are distributing the remaining reserve among the existing parties. That is it. Thank you. Fluctuation reserve. As I told you, investment cost rupees 5 lakh. Now liability is that reserve rupees 30,000, as I told you earlier. Now the cost of that market cost MV remain 4,46,000. Suppose means the difference of actual cost 5 lakh and now the market book value is 5 lakh. Market value is 4,46,000. What will happen? The thing is that the difference is 54,000 more than the reserve. Reserve is only 30,000. What will you make that? Investment fluctuation reserve account debit by 30,000. The remaining 24,000 you will get from revaluation. This is you have to open 24,000 and investment value goes down by 54,000. This is that. Means you have to recover this 24,000 from the capital account of the existing partner. They have to pay. Means in the next entry you have to pay because devalue this devaluation. How to neutralize it 24,000 that is goes in the revaluation. Means capital account debit. B's capital account also debit. To revaluation 24,000. And if the profit earning ratio is same, then 12,000 each will give by each partner. A and B both are. So this is the complete entry. If the market value and the book value is 5 lakh, market value is 4,46,000, and the means investment goes down by 54,000. 30,000 you have recovered from the reserve, and remaining 24,000 by revaluation account. And revaluation account means by that partner paying. After all, partner have to pay the remaining amount of 24,000. This is that. And suppose in the last stage, if market value, book value is 5 lakh and market value suppose 5 lakh 10,000, investment increases, then it is a good for the business. Investment account should be debited, means no need reserve we have to distribute. Same way, means reserve account debit to partners will be credit, and the remaining 10,000 also that investment account debit to partners. Partner will get the benefit. This is the thing that investment fluctuation reserve. Last time I have taught about the WCR. WCR also the same, depend on the claim, and now this also depend on the fluctuation. Whatever the fluctuation in the market value and the book value, that we have to consider, and according to that we have to make that. All the entries that you know now, you can make it, you can do the practice, and next time the important topic I will start, that is of addition. Thank you.